Empty tea bag. Gunpowder tea. Drop some of that in there. Actually, that's quite a bit right there, but expands. Yes, sir. Fold this up. Drop it in there. Yes, sir. I'll put my my top on there. On my real billy can here. Gotta feed the beast, you know. There you go. It's kicking up now. Get back to you, man. Yeah, this tea's ready, man. My little Denby cup. Kind of rustic looking, nice, man. But yeah, it doesn't. I don't want it to boil too much, so I'll lift this off. Yes, sir. I'm gonna sit here. A lot of Vermont beer bread made with Sam Adams Boston Ale. Pretty cool. Let's see here. Heat the bread up a little bit. Got my tea cooling down there. I'm gonna pour some in my stuff there. I'll get back to you, man. Cool. Good, man. Pour my tea. My cup here. Oh yeah, looking good, man. Got our tea. Now I am going to be doing a series on low tea with mostly bone china, English china. That's the type of guy I am. I'm a very delicate type guy, as you can see. But no, I like low tea, and I want to do a series on it. So I have some, but I'm picking up some more cups. We'll look at the bottom, see where they're from, a little background on it. You know, I'll look it up the best I could, but there'll be other people out there that'll know more about it than me. But we'll be doing that. And no, we won't have cucumber sandwiches kicked up with Texas Pete, like that new commercial with Frank's Red Hot or something. It's kind of cool. But yeah, man. So it's Quinn the Eskimo. I got my Vermont beer bread. I got the Sterno stove, burning wood. Worked great. Like anything else, you gotta keep feeding it. But yeah, it's great. So you guys down there, Carolina, take care with the storm. But Quinn the Eskimo. This finger's all right. This one is not. Got that this morning. So I'll sit and have my tea. Watch my stuff so the dog doesn't take it. Here, Mac, come here. Here, pup. Here. She might pop. my beautiful duck. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey. Come here. Hey. No, come. No, don't eat my food. Come on. She's my pup. So, take care. Here's Maeve, too. Both jealous. Come on, Maeve. Maeve, come in the picture. Yeah. Maeve. Maeve, come here. But, anyways, I got back to you, and, we're done here, man. Have a nice day. Canteen Cup Tuesday, a little demonstration with the stove, a little bit of one of my kits. So, we're doing okay, man. Thank God we're alive. Take it easy.